We're having potatoes for dinner. Caleb, what are you making?
Huh? I'm making potatoes.
You're making potatoes too? Why don't you mash them up for us?
No.
Where's your potato masher?
Masher?
Yeah, your potato masher. It's right there.
What?
Right here.
That's a stir.
No, it's a potato masher.
That's a stir. You have a long sound. This and it stirs.
Oh. Are you helping Daddy? Are you helping Daddy cook? We're having pork chops. And Caleb is helping Daddy cook with his new toys from... Who got you that? Who got you that? Who got you your new toys? Bryson, Drew, and Mel, and who? Rosie, right?
Rosie. Okay, Mommy.
Joshua was helping us cook too. But now he's right here.
Okay. You're not going to cook, Joshua, because we're cooking.
That's right. Joshua's just going to stay right here with Mommy. Right,
Can
Joshua?
Can I put it on there now? Can I put it on there?
Put it on where? What do you think, Daddy? Can you put it on the
On that one, yes.
You can put it on that one.
That one?
Yep. Because that one's not hot.
It is hot.
Yeah, you can put it on that one because that one's not hot.
Oh, if it goes down to this, it'll melt.
Yeah. It's okay. We're just pretending.
You can do this, Daddy, okay, Daddy?
Okay, son, I'm not gonna touch it.
You don't touch these.
Okay.
It's gonna melt. Don't put on. Don't. Yeah.